Let me show you how we make this Tres Leches cake for my son Mario. It's a very easy recipe to make. These are the ingredients we're going to be using, following the instruction of the box. And as you can see, my granddaughter is going to do this. And it's so simple. She's just following my instructions. We're adding water to the mix, making sure that it's mixed well. We're adding oil and the 3 eggs. Look how well she cracks the eggs. She's a pro.
No, just the recipe says 3.
So cute. She wanted to add more eggs because she likes
Nice
this step a lot.
job.
After mixing it really well, we are ready to pour everything in the baking pan and bake it for 350 degrees for 23 to 28 minutes. Meanwhile, we are mixing all the milks, the regular milk, the evaporated milk, and the condensed milk together really well. This is what's going to make the cake really moisty. Now that the cake is baked, you let it cool down a little bit and then you use a fork to poke little holes on the surface, just like this. Amy was having fun doing this. And then after you make all those little holes, you pour the mix on top. And for the final touch, you add the whipped cream. And that's it. Very simple. You put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours and then you celebrate. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.